What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rides. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where this will be my last video before Christmas comes. So you'll see me on Monday, the day after Christmas. Now, let's talk about what we have in front of us. Mansory, 6 weeks after showing off its soft body kit premiere for the mid-engine Maserati MC20. Well, now they've taken the covers off and it's truly an extreme car. This car has undergone a real transformation, especially the interior. In fact, there are really few original parts on this Maserati that haven't been touched by Mansory. Now, the changes start at the front where the tuner has revised the bumper of the MC20 with forged parts made of carbon fiber, including a splitter and air intake surrounds. Now, the small aerodynamic canards also will catch your eye, as does the forged carbon fiber hood with the new louvers. Now, Maserati modifications to the car continue with the forged carbon louvers on the front side panels, while the lightweight material is also featured on the flared front and rear wheel arches, wing mirrors, and door panels. Now, you also have a 10-spoke wheel set, which further adds to the supercar's aggressive looks, as do sharp side skirts and reshaped side vents. Now, the other changes will be even more extreme at the rear, where the Maserati MC20 sports a massive rear wing that is somewhat similar to the shape of the wing of a Lamborghini Aventador SVJ on a larger scale. Now, completing the wing is an intriguing double-deck diffuser with an F1-inspired light, with new quad exhaust pipes and an engine cover with a prominent roof scoop. All these parts are finished in forged carbon fiber, as you guys can see. And the interior of the MC20, that has been renewed. This particular example, dubbed the First Edition, was covered almost entirely in yellow. Now, this covers just about everything from the door panels, dashboard, steering wheel, seat pads, floors, and even the transmission tunnel. Now, the only parts not covered in yellow leather are the central bands of the seats, the central armrest, and knee pads on the tunnel, and the central part of the door panels, which are instead covered in white leather. A handful of matte carbon fiber accents are also visible in the interior. Now, while Mansory hasn't yet detailed the performance changes to the car, it has confirmed that the 3-liter twin-turbo V6 is now producing 720 PS and 850 Nm. That's notable increases over the standard 630 PS and 729 Nm. So, with that said, this is something very radical, very extreme. Let me know, hot or not, what do you guys think about Mansory's look on the new Maserati MC20? This is going to be wild in the comments, guys. I definitely want to know your thoughts on this one. Now, with that said, if you guys did enjoy the video today, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Giving the video a like will help get it up in the rankings. More people can see it. And we're going to have a bigger discussion on the Mansory Maserati MC20 First Edition. Now, with that said, if you guys want to help further support the channel, always check the links down in the description below, where I have a one-time link donation for my PayPal, Cash App, Venmo, and my Patreon, just in case you guys want to donate an extra $1 or $2 to the channel. Appreciate the extra love. And you guys can also check out the Ron's Rides merch. Keep warm this winter, or check out my social media links as well in the description below. Now, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, but click the notification bell so you don't miss one video. And with that said, you guys be blessed, have a great day, and we will talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rides video. Peace.